How to silence conversations without muting apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quiet specific chats without turning off notifications for the entire app. First, open your Android settings. Tap on Notifications. From there, scroll down and tap on the app containing the conversation you want to silence, such as WhatsApp or Messenger. At this point, look for the option to manage notification categories or channels for that specific app. From there, tap on the specific notification category tied to individual chats or messages. After that, adjust the notification behavior for that category, such as setting it to silent so messages come through without sound or vibration. In the next step, go back and test by having someone send a message to confirm notifications are coming in silently without affecting the rest of the app. From there, for WhatsApp specifically, open the app and press and hold on the chat you want to silence. Once done, tap on the mute icon at the top and choose a duration, 8 hours, 1 week, or always, to silence just that conversation. Following this, for Messenger, open the conversation, tap on the contact name at the top, and look for the mute option within the chat settings. From here, select your preferred mute duration to silence that specific thread without affecting other Messenger conversations. At this stage, for Instagram, open the DM thread, tap on the contact name at the top, and tap on Mute Messages to silence that conversation individually. After this, the same method applies to most messaging apps, as nearly all of them include a per-conversation mute option within the individual chat settings. Keep in mind, silencing a conversation at the app level still allows messages to arrive and appear in your notification shade. They just come through without sound or pop-ups, so you will not miss anything important. Finally, go back to your conversations and confirm the silenced chats are no longer producing sounds or alerts, while your other chats remain unaffected. And that's it. If this guide helped you silence conversations without muting apps, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the